What's up, guys? It's your boy Chris Banks. Welcome back to the weekly recaps. For this week, disgrace up, man, disgrace. This week is one of the legendary week I've had. Yeah. So basically, I've taken 5 trades this week as of now, and today's Friday as I'm recording this video, and I'm not gonna be taking a trade probably. I gotta set I'm waiting for, but I just think it's gonna happen next week. But I've taken 5 trades, and of the 5 trades I've taken, I lost all. Yeah, I lost all. I took losses on all 5 of them. And as from the beginning of this challenge, I told you guys the idea of losing for me right now is learning. So at times I'm more fascinated to lose. It's not like I want to lose, but if I do lose, I'm okay with losing because yeah, I'm gonna figure out why did I lose, and I can increase my edge from that stage. And as it is, what goes around comes around, and what happens. So guys, I'm gonna head down now to the charts, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the trade and how I make those mistakes and how I learn from those mistakes. So basically, I just want you guys to stay tuned as I reduce it and put it right here. Okay, so we don't get distracted. Okay. So guys, heading now to the first trade that I took this week. So of the 5 trades that I took this week, all 5 of them was on Euro USD, and this trade is actually mind blowing because it came here and I missed this. I missed this setup, right? This is right here. I've got taken my buy position, and yeah, just in for the 50-minute high. Excellent one. Just went through it and took the rest in. But this is an excellent trade. I'm taking. I'm blowing. I've got in the butt. Once again, I missed it, and out of whatever I had to do this thing for, that I know actually everything I'm doing right now is I re-enter the position right here without much confidence and being along with my strategy. This was very indisciplined, and I did it anyway. So this was my mistake, man. Like I should not have entered out this place. I should have entered out this place. Price has already touched this zone, right? And if price coming back here, that proves that this is gonna be on liquidity, right? So yeah. And I still did it, I still did it. So price actually did reverse it. After taking it out, like I said, it would have been a liquidity, right? So a liquidity point, price grabbed liquidity and just went up. Just went up. This was way too frustrating, man. Way too frustrating. So that was the first trade I take, and now, so since Tuesday I didn't take any trade up to Thursday. So I think all of the losses I didn't take anything on the Thursday. Why? Because I was in active trading. I got a big news for you guys, and I'll make a video for that. I actually got brand new. Okay, let me save that. But Thursday, it was the first trade I've taken, and price has broken a high, and we are actually currently in the 4 hours currently in. At this point now, I was taking this trade 4 hours was currently in an uptrend, so I was expecting a reversal to retrace back, and then price could potentially push off the high. So I was trading the correction phase, and as for the correction phase, everything I already aligned. I had a trend change here on the 15-minute time frame. Price came back to the zone, and within the zone, on the 1-minute time frame, I had liquidity grab. I see this line, right? Liquidity grab. So I had a liquidity grab there, and then yeah, I ended up in position without hesitation, nothing. And then price went against me. Okay, I have a second entry into this POI. So what I did was, I did the same thing. I waited for price swept liquidity, even when I had to sweep this 15-minute high as liquidity, and then price was brutally coming down. Taking a rejection, and then price just rejected and went back up. So I took a loss there, but something very, very beautiful that I learned here. Very beautiful. And even though I took those 2 losses that I didn't lose, learning it, but it's worth it. It's not losing those trades is not worth anything. Like I'm not happy that I lose the trade, but on the other side, I'm a little bit glad that I learned what I did learn. So for the correction phase, Usually, I will just start trading the correction phase and expecting once price break the 4-hour high or low and start expecting or reversal. But most times or sometimes, price do not just take reversal as soon as it breaks the high. You know what I'm saying? Price do not do that as soon as it breaks the high. What price start to do other times is that price keep pushing forward. So if price keep pushing forward and then you're looking for a sell position or a buy position, or you want to trade against a trend, doing that is actually not good, especially if you don't have a 4-hour opposite candle. And that's why I'm doing it. That this whole time, like this trade, right, there was no opposite candle. I was just okay, 15-minute time frame. Now price is going to do this, price is going to do that. Okay, that was something I could work with, but it's actually not a better setup. So now if I'm trading the correction phase, I'm always going to be looking for an opposite candle to print. So after the opposite candle print, then I'll then go ahead to trade the pullback candles. So that's where for the correction phase, lost the 2 trades learning that. But if this hadn't been that I was against the trend without an opposite candle, this was a very good trade, man. Very good trade. The trend change is excellent, and then price came back. Excellent, very good trade. Like, very good trade. Like I have a very good history on this trade. So guys, it is what it is. And so these 2 trades equals to the 3rd trade. Yeah, so this is the 2nd trade, this is the 3rd trade. Now another thing that happened, that the 4th trade I think is not on the chart because it was a mistake position. So while entering the 2nd trade, I mistakenly placed in a GBP or GBP USD position, a buy position for GBP USD, which was wrong, and I just closed the position, but I lost I think $4 on it, and that equals to the 3rd trade, right? That's equal to the 4th trade. Why is it the 4th trade? It's because I entered a position, whether it's a mistake or not a mistake, that was a position, so it's counted as a trade. That's the reason it's down in the chart, because it's not other than that, it was mistakes. Okay, so now let's head to the 5th trade. So here's the 5th trade. So after I got this trend change, okay, I said, oh no, every price is not doing something. Now let's come here again. The same thing, very same thing. This one is even more very good setup. This was very good setup. Like I said, if I had opposite candle, this would have been a very good setup. This price broke the trend here and create a trend change with a high momentum. Like it moves, a candle away from this particular trend change. So now what happens? I'll be looking for a sell when price comes back to this my POR. But once again, I have to go to the 1 minute time frame to be able to for price to grab liquidity on the 1 minute time frame. So a structural liquidity. So what happens was price came here. This was a very excellent trade. If this hadn't been it, and then price swept liquidity, I entered my position, and then price just went against me. Why? Because I didn't have an opposite candle, and then I was trading blindly. Price, the 4-hour, once price breaks a structural or create a trend change on the 4-hour time frame, price can then reverse at that particular point if price is taking up liquidity, or price could go ahead, But the safer way to do this is to have an opposite candle. The opposite candle give you, okay, you know what, price is about to go down now. Okay, you know what, price is about to go down now, alright? And then you can actually trade that. But then I actually had to suffer to learn this lesson, right? I actually had to go through the suffering to learn this lesson. But it's a beautiful lesson learned, a very beautiful lesson learned. And this is it. And at this time, this is 11:53. 11:53. So let's just head to the 4-hour time frame. Let me show you guys something. Okay. So this is the 4-hour time frame, right? So this was in this USD in an uptrend. Yeah, I traded this entire thing. Price came here, and then looking for a buy. This while looking for a buy when I lost it. So and then price a break of structure here. So what happened was I want to throw a reversal, but guess what? All year, price keep going up. So I was keep looking for a sell here, thinking price gonna retrace. I keep looking for a sell, thinking price gonna retrace. All I need to do is just to wait for opposite candle. At this point right now, our opposite candle is being printed. Right, it's being printed or it's printing, and it's like it's gonna take an hour more for this opposite candle to be printed. And after that, I could then look for a position. I could then look for a position, but yeah, I could then look for a position which would have been much better than me entering the trade just by planning. Okay, and Yeah, guys, that's it. That's what it is, man. That's what it is. That's what it is. That's what it is. So, guys, let's let's head down to this my echo the edge screen. Man, it's so much fascinating, so much fascinating, so much fascinating, so much fascinating when I'm looking at this, chat. From the beginning of this challenge, we wanted to have our first payout because since I passed this account, it was January, so I've traded the account for months now, and I had to change some strategy. I had to adjust and everything. So I went in a huge shutdown. I was trying to recover. In recovering, I went up, went down, had the upside, downside, and then I'm currently at the bottom. That's the bottom. I only left for one trade to take. After that, I could either upload this account or I could get my withdrawal from it. I could get my first payout from this. But it is what it is, guys. You say so. I could either do those two things. I could blow this or I could do it. So now we're gonna say come here. So there's our metric. Come here, mass loss. Okay. Mass loss. So mass loss, ain't data, guys. Ain't data. Very crazy. Very crazy. But we're gonna do what we can do, and yeah, guys, we're gonna do what we can do with the new knowledge we have about strategy now, with the new concept and new everything. I think I'm having a hope. I'm actually hoping and I'm actually believing that I'm gonna withdraw from this account. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna withdraw from this account. But if I don't, then I'm going for a 10K account. If I don't, I'm going for a 10K account, guys. That's what I'm saying. If I don't withdraw from this, if I don't withdraw from this account, if I don't withdraw from it, I'm going for a 10K. I'm going for a 10K account, man. Like I'm talking around 5K even though I got front on and then I don't withdraw, but I'm going for a 10K account, guys. So stay tuned, right? This journey is about to get real interesting. Like I said, I'm doing this thing realistically, showing you guys how trading is for me, trading wise, and how it is going. Yeah, it's been stressed up around, and I'm learning. I'm still going through the process. At this point, my goal is not I'm not chasing outcome right now, but I'm looking at the future trader I'm to become. And I know that future trader, that professional trader, that energetic and everything trader is on the other side of me becoming the person I should become. And to become that person, I think I have to trust the process and follow it. And that's what I'm doing, guys. So after the 2.5K account, got one more trade to take. After that one trade, we could either lose the account or we could get up back. But whatever the case is, our next account is gonna be a 10K account. Next account, guys, it's gonna be a 10K account. And pretty much, yeah. Let's keep grinding, guys. Stay tuned. So this is cool. It's from places. It's really too cold. Gotta get this jacket. You guys see it? It's great. Okay. So guys, if you guys just joined me, I would like you to subscribe and like this video. If you want to keep seeing content like this, please subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. What's up? Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Don't do more. And stay tuned. Let's keep grinding. And it is what it is, guys. Let's keep grinding.